Hello friends, I Kanishk Agrawal would be presenting a SA1 CBSE chemistry course for class 10 students. This course would be live on Vedantu. So basically it's a 27-hour course which would be covering the topics which are three chapters in the SA1 10th chemistry course. Those are chemical reactions and equations, acid bases and salts, and metals and non-metals. This course would be commencing from 11th April 2016. And as I told you, the duration would be 27 hours. This 27 hours, we would be covering each and every concept in detail, practicing questions and assignments as well. Also, there would be sample questions which I would be talking about next. And this course would run on Monday, Tuesday and Thursday. See, I have chosen these 3 days a week because in 10th standard continuity is really important. Okay, so this would be a 1 hour 30-minute course. See, the course duration is 1 hour 30 minutes because like in the next lesson, in the next session, I would also be taking up the revision of what we have discussed in the previous chapter. So 1 hour 30 minutes would be sufficient to cover the topics which are prescribed in the session. Now, I would like you to tell you about my teaching methodology which I would be following in this course. So, as I told you, I would be dealing with NCERT examples and exercises. I would be discussing each and every examples and exercises in detail because in 10th standard board examination, majority of questions are framed from NCERT only. HOTS. These are very important. High order thinking skills questions. See, HOTS are those questions which distinguish a topper from the remaining students. So, in my curriculum, I would be practicing with HOTS question as well to, to let you aware with the tough questions as well. Previous year papers. These are very important because in CBSE board examinations, questions repeat, okay? And also previous year board papers would help you to know how CBSE frames their questions. Assignments and tests. No study is complete without practicing problems. And there would be a discussion for the same in the very next session as well. Also, there would be separate doubt sessions and sample paper solving at the last of the sessions. So you can ask me your doubts anytime in the middle, but also there would be a doubt session at the end of the chapter as well. Why this course? Why you should be prescribing this course and how this course would be helpful to you. Okay, so all the concepts would be taught in detail and won't be skipping anything. I would also be following a reference book because in NCERT sometimes a concept is written in a very precise way or you can say in a concise way. Okay, so no page would be left unturned. Mind map after the chapter. This would help you to revise the concept in detail when you would be having your board examinations. Be exam ready in summer break. Utilize this summer break well because when the school reopens, you would be having a kickstart than your friends. Be a topper. See, this is the reason why I'm here for you to make you score well in your CBSE board examinations. So this 27-hour course would be way sufficient for your SA1 examination if you practice the problems well, which I teach you in your examination. And still you have some doubts, then you can mail me at agrawl3004@gmail.com. I hope this helps and still you have any doubts, you can mail me. Thank you very much.